Hello guys, there we have a dryer GORENJE DPNA, and today I'm gonna show you the control panel overview. So this is a control dial. This one is a extra dry function. This button is for an anti-crease function. This is a time of drying. This is a delay. This is a natural dry function. If you want to turn off the sounds, hold these two buttons. If you want to set the key lock, hold these two buttons. For manage the Wi-Fi function, hold this one. This one is for a play, start or the stop program. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.